Welcome back to the channel, Jaden Chase. Now if you're new, remember to like, to share, and also to subscribe. Now, people are saying Leoda Bradshaw will have to confess, speak her part, whether giving her own testimony in open court or making a deal with the prosecutors. As people are speculating that her cousin might be contemplating making that very same deal. Now think about it. Leoda Bradshaw flying from overseas, clearly with the intention to take the life of Philip Palwell's baby mother. You don't know if she planned to take the life of the child as well. Being a mother herself, that would make this crime pass wicked. If she actually premeditated to take the life of the mother and her child. Remember, Philip Palwell's new baby was just 10 months old. She also has a daughter with Philip Palwell, who is 11, who she left overseas to book a ticket to return back to her baby father's country for taking baby mother life. Now her cousin seemed to be the middleman. She's an US Navy officer. She live overseas. But nothing she know, there are two individuals who confessed personally based upon the information that was given to the prosecutors. It's like our cousin know them. And the other two individuals, one was the accomplice of the hitman. That's why one person get less time than the other. I don't think it's because of who first confessed, it's because of who actually perpetrated the crime. But remember, co-conspirators, the mastermind, and everybody who involved must face justice. That is how the other individual get the amount of years that him get for the role that him play. The contract killer get this deserved sentence based upon the crime, even though him did confess and work with law enforcement. Now, Leoda Bradshaw cousin have the same opportunity for work with law enforcement. He never actually take the life of this person. If the role in play was to give Leoda Bradshaw these individuals contact information, of course him have to go to prison. Clearly him know what the plan was. We did a story circulate social media saying that two individuals that confess were not fully aware of the plan. And they were not aware that Bradshaw wanted to take the life of the child. Another sad aspect of this case is that this woman flying from foreign that crosses money. $500,000. She didn't even come in with the whole $500,000. She give the man them 100,000 in a foreign currency. So she probably give them about 6-7 bills. Pocket money. Money where people walk around with a foreign. Pocket money, pocket change. And with this pocket change, this woman make 3 Jamaican men just throw them life. Because the two were confessed already, throw them life. The cousin were there with her, throw him life. And them also take the life of 2 other individuals, a woman and her pitney. 500,000, not actually paid. Only 100,000 out of the 500,000 paid. With 100,000, this woman destroy 5 lives. Would they not consider her own? She had the mastermind, allegedly. This is sad. This is the level of poverty with the on the island. This is the level of wants and needs with the on the island. Where individuals can take the life of other individuals and IOU take the life on a promise. Because think about this. If Bradshaw just fly out after all this take place, there'd be no guarantees for no money. People will have to create a better society. People want money, but there has to be a line where you not go cross to get it. Everybody want money, but there has to be some line in the sand where you draw, where you decide say you will not cross that line. for money or the pursuit of the money. And Philip Paul will need to be extremely thankful for him life. Because if everything is true, this is the woman him have a youth with. This is the woman that flying and come sleep with him. They are me hard, spend time, they have a child together. If he decide say he want to take fame, she want to take fame life too. And the other stories making headlines today. Tell me how you feel about this in the comment section. Now Damon Crawford is definitely one of the most popular members of the opposition at this moment in time. With some supporters of the opposition even saying that maybe he should be considered for party president. The main thing. But he has been given a new constituency, which he says is a better fit for him and the type of politician that he is. Now that constituency is St. Catherine North. Of course, I'm not going to hear from Crawford himself, and they will continue the reasoning. Look and listen.
I had to be here tonight for two reasons. The first is that I need revenge for what has happened in these protests. And it's all right, because I recognize that I am the biggest achievement that the Vaz and the Vaz has ever had. And everywhere they go, they say we beat Damien, we beat Damien, we beat Damien. But little did they know that I sent two of my Karachi soldiers to go trade and say, I shall revenge the master. The first student that shall revenge the master was my actual driver in the election. So I could not have been absent. Colin, know that them want to take our song to say them father behind. Driver, don't stop at all. But the second student is someone, because I realize that now Jamaica government is a family business. At first they had Father Shark, then they had Baby Shark, then they had Mother Shark. So therefore I need Doreen to go take on Father Shark, because too much shark is in the business. Too much shark. And the sharks are taking everything for themselves. Nothing for nothing else in the sea. Not even little crumbs. I tell them, so when it's cake, you might get the crumbs, but them come with pudding. No crumbs. So I need you to take care of Mother Shark. And then Doreen will take care of Father Shark. And that way we will not get any baby shark. Important. But hold on now. Yeah, I put government. Yeah, no crumbs. Watch me now. A long time I'm not coming now. I'm not telling a lie, I feel away. Because, you know, sometimes you have to leave your wife, but your wife not doing nothing. Maybe you get a little green card and you have to go try life. Portland never do me nothing. But sometimes Jonah cannot be comfortable till Jonah about where Jonah should be. So when me realize that them choose Judas over Jonah, I said, well, I'm going to take them out Shaka. I will go somewhere else. And them said, them will come down here to come make sure the result is the same. I said, rock by baby, turn the other.
And if you're new to the channel and just a pass through, well, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. And tell a friend, tell them sister, and then brother them for check out the channel, check out the reasoning, and also join the discussion. The comment section on 24/7, it never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there, and we can continue the reason via the comment section. Until the reason again, live, love, and prosper. Stay tuned.